Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a garden haul. So I recently received my package from, I purchased these from Migardener. So I did buy a lot of experimental seeds, but every single one of these are staples to my garden and to my family. We do eat a lot of, basically all these, you know, on a daily basis. So let's jump right into it, shall we? I have 3 experimental seeds I'm going to show you first. So let's see. So the first one is I did buy coffee. So these are really gonna be fun. I seen these on his last YouTube video, and just to see him on the website is super exciting to see. Of course, had to have these peanuts. So I did buy 3 packets. They grow, if I'm correct, they do grow similar to sweet potatoes, how they just keep planting themselves and they grow like that. So this is gonna be exciting. And this one is rice. I did buy 2 packs. I don't know why I bought 2 packs. It's like 500 seeds. What am I gonna do with 500 seeds, right? But these are all staples, of course, in my house. Rice, peanuts. My whole family loves to eat peanuts. And then, of course, coffee. Gotta have coffee, right? So why not grow the thing, try at least grow the things we eat on a daily basis in my home. So I'm super excited about these. That's all I can say about that. So onto the basic ones. Of course, they are, let's see, I have grown some, of course I've grown these. Who hasn't? Congo watermelon, and then the black diamond melon. It's like similar to a baby watermelon. I just like the color. I like to grow different colors. I love to see different things in my garden. Arugula, I did buy this. The next thing is tomatoes. These remind me of beefsteak tomatoes. So like your basic beefsteak tomato, you know. But that's from a different package. But this one is the Dr. Oh, I can't even pronounce, but it's a yellow tomato, beefsteak, giant Belgium tomato, and then the big rainbow tomato. I love the colors. I love the colors. Like last season, I grew a couple of different tomatoes. Well, a lot. But they were all different colors, and I love seeing different colors, you know, instead of the basic reds and I think the yellow pears. I've grown those before. My daughter loved those. She would pick them. I love colors. I love to see the rainbow in the garden, you know. And the next thing I have, so we eat all these, of course, in salads and baking stuff, is the kidney bean. We eat these. I replace regular beans in my food with kidney beans, so I can't wait to give that a try. Garbanzo beans. My husband and we both like these in our salads. And the pinto beans. I did buy these. I love the colors. The colors. And then your basic green beans. These remind me of green beans. So the landrace bean and the jade bean. And of course, my flowers. So I really want some color to pop in my garden. I purchased the Celosia Pampas Plum, the Aster Violet, the Aster Apricot, and then 3 carnations. Am I missing one? No. Is the King of Blacks. Well, purple, white carnation, and then the pink carnation. So these are all fun experimentals. Something new in my garden. but I can't wait to give those a try. I just can't wait to get my hands in the dirt. But for today, I do have some planning to do because it's about a week or so. I gotta start my seeds. I think tomorrow. I'm not sure. I gotta double check. But I hope you like my little haul of my seeds, my little garden haul. So stay tuned, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.